Hi, I'm Taylor Carver, founder and head trader at thetradinganalyst.com. As a seasoned trader, I know what it takes to make money in any market. If you're looking to make money in the market and to be guided by a true professional, then look no further. As a member, you'll receive real-time text and or email alerts with profitable trades, a detailed trading plan so you're well prepared for the market day ahead, as well as trade reviews and educational material, plus so much more. Here's what some of our current members are saying about the membership. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned trader looking for an edge, you'll find a home here at The Trading Analyst. Sign up right now and start making consistent money in the market today. And the first chart that we're going to take a look at is CRIS. I think that CRIS is headed for higher prices. This is the daily chart here. A couple things I want to point out. First, let me get the downtrend line that we have here. Downtrend line that started in December of 2015. Many touches over here. Almost have a touch here. One right here. And then as you can see, several touches right here. And then we have a shorter downtrend line right here that, as you can see, got hit right there, and then several touches right here. And as you can see, it's squeezed over both of those downtrend lines today. And we also did so on some increasing volume. You can see that the last several days we have expanding volume. Definitely think this has some potential for higher prices. Next resistance is $2. Next resistance above that, I'll draw it for you, is right around $2.20 or so. Okay, so $2 and then $2.20 for CRIS. Next, I want to take a look at ADMP. ADMP, a lot of volume came into this stock today. You can see right here, 2.6 million shares. That's about 5 times the average volume. So we also broke over this resistance here at about 275. You can see that we were trading sideways here for a little while, and we broke over that resistance, over these previous highs on some heavy volume with just a tiny tail at the top. Definitely not a lot of selling, so definitely think that we can head higher here on ADMP. The next main resistance I'm seeing is right around here from the previous highs of these candles here, right around let me get it right there at about 330. Okay, so look for that. Definitely like ADMP for higher prices. Next, I want to take a look at FBR. FBR, we broke over this resistance line with some heavy volume. You can see that we also have this little uptrend line to work with as well. So we have an uptrend line pushing us over this resistance with a big push in volume as well. I think that FBR is set for higher prices. Next, I want to take a look at FRO. FRO, really nice setup here. We broke over this downtrend line. As you can see, many touches right here. We touched it right here, touched it right here, and then we broke over that. We also broke over this resistance. You can see how many times we got rejected, 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 and then we broke over that as well. We also have this uptrend line right here. Nice looking setup. I think that we can expect a probable breakout here on FRO. So just be aware of what we're seeing. Nice volume, nice pattern. I think it's setting up nicely here. Next, I want to take a look at GPRE. GPRE, really nice breakout here over this resistance. You can see how many times we got rejected here, rejected, 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 and then finally today we broke over it with some nice volume. 1.4 million shares are traded. That's more than 3 times the average volume. So definitely like GPRE for higher prices. And here is the uptrend line that you can work with also. So nice uptrend line, nice breakout over resistance. I think that GPRE is set for higher prices. Next, I want to take a look at STML. STML, nice gap up today, and notice how we held these levels. Yeah, it's a big red candle, but we gapped up on huge volume, okay? And we could have closed, lower, okay? We could have closed below this level. I think that it's going to get a bounce from here. We have this uptrend line, touch here, 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 almost a couple touches here, and then we have a touch here, and then we broke over this resistance here, trading in a tight range right here, gap up. I think that it retests this trend line. Well, I don't know if it'll retest that trend line, but if it does, that's a good bounce zone, and I think it's going to retest at least these highs, potentially these highs up here from these candles right there. So just be aware of what's going on with that. Next, I want to take a look at VHI. VHI, another high volume breakout here. We broke over this resistance. You can see rejected here, 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 and here. And it looks like we are headed higher. We broke over that with the biggest volume day of the entire year. So nice action here. I think that we can expect higher prices on VHI. Next one I want to take a look at is DRAD. And DRAD, we saw a nice bounce off of this uptrend line. Here's a touch, here's a touch, here's a touch, and here's a touch right here. And we also broke out of this little mini box that we had here, sideways trading action. I think that we may retest 510 or so, and once we do, we should see higher prices, maybe up there up to the $6 range. You can see that there's volume coming into that stock right there. So I like DRAD for higher prices. All right, guys, thank you, and I'll see you next time.